When I wake up, then I speak with myself like I need to wake up. I have to brush my teeth and wash my face. Then I will have my breakfast in the dining room. After that I will go to college by bus. I will attend in the class for lecture. During the break time, we will go out of the class and smoke with friends because it makes me feel something different. Then again I access into the classroom and make some noisy situations with another friends to disturb his or her attention to the study. After finishing the class, I go out with friends and asking him about other things like would you like to have lunch in the restaurant or have you got any tiffin from home? Like this I practice every day and it improves my fluency to speak in English. Then after finishing my college, I came back home and asking a lot of questions to my mom like which curries did you cook today? Then I go to out of home at 7 p.m. and looking at the football ground and speaking with myself like lot of people are playing football, they are so lucky they are playing and feeling amazing. Then I came back home again and watch some English movies which I like and improve my vocabulary and appropriate sentences based on situations. Thus I improve my fluency in English. And practically I speak every day at least 30 minutes with myself. From now on, start practice and give it yourself just 30 minutes.